Unveiling the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, a flip phone revolution. Pricing. Check out the best deals from our affiliate partners. We may earn a commission from qualifying sales. 512GB 16GB RAM, €1,299. Buy here. https://www.amazon.de/dp/b0dz6skkrp $GSM Arena 0CA-21 link code $OSI $1 PSC $1. See all prices, more options. https://www.gsmarena.com/Motorola_Razr_60_ultra-price-13805.php. Introduction. The legendary Razr is back and better than ever with the stunning Razr 60 Ultra. This flip foldable phone is not just a blast from the past, it's a modern marvel packed into a sleek, compact design. With a jaw-dropping 165Hz Dolby Vision display and the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this phone is ready to impress. The Razr 60 Ultra takes everything we loved about the Razr 50 Ultra and cranks it up a notch. Expect a sharper screen resolution, a top-tier chipset, an ultra-wide camera that doubles as a macro shooter, and a beefier battery to keep you powered throughout the day. For our review, we're focusing on the Razr 60 Ultra, which is essentially the same as the Razr Ultra available in North America. So, whether you're in Europe or the States, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the details. The Razr 60 Ultra boasts a stunning 7.0-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a resolution of 1224 by 2992 pixels, a refresh rate of 165 Hz, and support for 10-bit color depth, Dolby Vision, and HDR10. This upgrade from the 1080p display on the Razr 50 Ultra is a game-changer. The cover screen remains a vibrant 4-inch 1080p LTPO AMOLED, matching the capabilities of its larger counterpart. Under the hood, the Razr 60 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the most powerful chipset available today. This means lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Photography enthusiasts will love the dual 50MP rear cameras, a primary wide-angle lens with optical image stabilization (OIS) that offers up to 2x lossless zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera with autofocus for those breathtaking panoramic and macro shots. And let's not forget the impressive 50MP selfie camera, a significant upgrade from the 32MP on the previous model, although it lacks autofocus. Battery life is also a highlight, with a larger 4,700 mAh battery that supports both fast wired and wireless charging. And here's a stylish twist. The Razr 60 Ultra features a redesigned back panel that can be customized with finishes like wood, vegan leather, or Alcantara, depending on your Pantone color choice. Motorola Razr 60 Ultra specs at a glance asterisk. Body, 171.5 by 74.0 by 7.3 mm, 199G, eco-friendly materials including Alcantara/wood/silicone polymer back, aluminum frame, and stainless steel hinge, IP48 water resistant, up to 1.5 m for 30 minutes. Display, 7.0-inch foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, Dolby Vision, 165 Hz, HDR10+, 4500 nits, peak, 1224x2992px resolution, 22:9 aspect ratio, 491 ppi. Second external LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, Dolby Vision, 165 Hz, HDR10+, 3000 nits, peak, 4 inches, 1272 by 1080 pixels, 417 ppi, Gorilla Glass Victus. Chipset, Qualcomm SM8750AB Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3nm octa-core, 2 by 4.32 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix L plus 6 by 3.53 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix M, Adreno 830. Memory, 512GB 16GB RAM, 1TB 16GB RAM, UFS 4.0. OS/software, Android 15, up to 3 major Android upgrades. Rear camera, wide, main 50MP, f/1.8, 24mm, 1/1.95, 1.0 m, all-pixel PDAF, OIS, ultra-wide angle, 50 MP, f/2.0, 122 degrees, PDAF, macro. Front camera, 50 MP, wide, f/2.0. Video capture, rear camera, 8K at 30 fps, 4K at 30/60 frame per second, 1080p at 30/60/120/240/960 fps, HDR10+, Euro AIS. Front camera, 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60 fps. Battery, 4700 mAh, 68W wired, 30W wireless, 5W reverse wired. Connectivity, 5G, eSIM, Wi-Fi 7, BT 5.4, aptX HD, aptX Adaptive, NFC. Miscellaneous, fingerprint reader, side-mounted, stereo speakers. Motorola has truly outdone itself by enhancing nearly every aspect of the previous model. With faster hardware, a superior display, a more versatile camera setup, a larger battery, and quicker charging, the Razr 60 Ultra promises to deliver an exceptional experience. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Unboxing the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. The excitement begins as you unbox the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, which comes nestled in a sleek black box with a delightful scent inside. Inside, you'll find a USB-C cable and a premium ring case designed for protection and added grip. This phone case is a bit unique but is crafted with care, perfectly matching the phone's color scheme. However, don't expect a charger in the box. While Motorola offers 68W turbochargers as an optional purchase, any 68W plus power delivery charger will work just fine to quickly power up your Razr 60 Ultra.